Look at all the snow. It's sparkling.
It's beautiful tonight, isn't it?
Yes. Are we going to the village soon?
Almost there. Just enjoy the snow on the way.
It reminds me of when I was your age. Everything felt magical.
It still feels magical. It's like tiny stars on the window.
Yes, and we're riding right through them.
I love nights like this. Just us, the road, and the snow.
Me too. Peaceful.
Can we drive forever?
For a little while.
Everything feels so quiet.
Careful on this curve, the snow is slippery.
We're fine. Just enjoy the view.
It's so pretty.
Oh, I like this snow. Me too, sweetie. Sleep if you want.
We'll be home soon.
It feels like we're the only people in the world tonight.
Just us and the snow.
I love it. Almost there? See the lights ahead?
Home is so close. Yay! I can't wait.
I love our home. It's so cozy.
Sleep well, sweetie.
Good night, little one.